Hi there, it's Jean from Scents with Jean. Today I'd like to do a quick demonstration on how to assemble your mini warmer. Your mini warmer will come in two separate boxes. So this is obviously the main part for the head, and this is the base section here. And that is going to be the bit that plugs into the wall. First thing you need to do is get the washer out of its packet, and then you simply attach it onto this part here. Excellent. Then next step is the light globe. So pop the light globe in there, just hand tighten, not super tight, just hand tighten. And then you pop the head of the warmer on. Nice and easy. And there we go, it is assembled, almost done, just one more thing to do. So you turn it around and say, that could be a problem. Well, it does look like a problem, except for the mini warmer, because we have this cool thing where you press the button and then you switch it up the correct way. Awesome. And so now it's the correct way. So that if you've got a socket that goes to the side, if you've got one of those little ones, it's not a problem for the mini warmer. It can go either way. It's very good. And so this is our Bali head mini warmer. Your mini warmer is ready to go. Just pop a couple of cubes in the back there and you'll get a gorgeous fragrance, even though it's in a very small space. Perfect for your mini warmer. Have a sensational day.